In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Create List Form in Hubspot 2025, step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to Hubspot. Log into your account so you can access your marketing tools. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the marketing menu in the top navigation and select Forms. This is where all your forms live and where you'll build new ones. Click Create Form to begin. You'll see a selection of templates designed for different use cases. Pick the template that's closest to what you need. Templates save time and give you a solid structure to start from. When you found the right one, click Use Template. That will open the form editor. Inside the editor, you'll notice a plus icon. Click that to add elements to your form. The Add panel is organized to make building easier. Under Fields, you can add the essentials like name, email, phone number, and other standard inputs. These are the building blocks for capturing contact information. The Properties section helps you map inputs to your CRM properties, ensuring every response lands in the right place for segmentation and reporting. The other category contains additional controls and specialty inputs you might use to enrich your form logic. In Text and Media, you can add headings, descriptive text, and media to provide context, set expectations, and guide your visitors. Finally, Security and Privacy is where you handle consent, privacy notices, and protective measures like CAPTCHA, important for compliance and to reduce spam. To fine-tune any field already on the form, click the pencil icon. Here you can rename field labels, add placeholders or help text, set fields as required, and adjust validation. Small edits like clear labels and concise help text can dramatically improve completion rates. If you decide a field isn't needed, click the delete icon to remove it. Keeping your form lean, especially on first touch, is a proven best practice. As you build, think about the experience from your visitor's perspective. Use the fewest fields necessary, make the email field required, and include a clear privacy statement if you're collecting personal data. If your audience is global, align your consent language with your regional compliance needs. Use text and media to introduce the form with a friendly, benefit-driven headline, and consider clarifying what happens after submission. When you're happy with the layout and content, review everything for accuracy and consistency. A quick pass for spelling, required fields, and property mappings now saves cleanup later. That's it. You've customized a HubSpot form ready for your next campaign.